Hello. Good day, everybody. Good day. My name is David. You can call me Drums. Welcome to my video. In this video, I'm basically going to tell you how you can create a drop down. So, for example, if I click here, see how this drop down looks like, right? Basically, something like this without the hover state and all of this, because then we'll have to talk about variant. So, it's just going to be a drop down, and we're going to be using what's it called? Sorry, I'm forgetting. We remember when I get there. So the first thing is that the drop down. I want it to be a list of names for students that are in currently spaces and tabs bootcamp. So it could be students. Yeah. So I would quickly just create like let me promote this guy from this, put it this way, promote this text that I use here and use the brighter version and then text this and then make this names names cool of students. Spelling this. Yeah. So I will make this an auto layout, shift A, and then I'll add some background to this. Let me get this color palette here so it's easier to manipulate. Yeah, then I'll just click this, hit I on my keyboard, and what do I have to do? Yeah, I on my keyboard and select this guy. Now we have this guy this way. Says this. Let's make this a little bit darker. Yeah, this is perfect. And then we want to give it rounded corners of 8 pixels. We stretch out the bits. Then go to icons. I just do chevron. So chevron icons are basically drop down icons, like all these icons that have drop downs like this one. So I just collect one and put here. Now the reason why I have this by the side here, if you are new and you'll be surprised, oh, you don't have it on your side. I'll leave a link to a video where I talk about set your assets panels and then you can get this set up by yourself. So I'll move on to this and the height of this. Let's make this 48. So the drop down coming to 54. Yeah. Then yeah, so this is a good drop down. There is no context to this, so I would leave this in the middle. However, you don't add context. Like for example, when I mean context, I mean like where is the use case of the product. However, since it's here, I'll just expand this guy. Yeah, and then add I'll just put 16 here, 16 here. Cool, more like it. So we want to create our list. So I'll just bring this guy down here, and since it's already here, I'll create the frame. Yeah, so this frame now will have the same color. This guy matching. I'll then make this look this way. Yeah, so after having this, you will want to duplicate it again. Now, if you duplicate this guy, I will just you can duplicate from here or you just hit is it shift? Sorry, Control D. Sorry, too many shortcuts in my head. Control D, duplicate this, keep it a distance of 16 pixels. The reason why I'm making distances like this is because I already have them in my head on 8 pixels multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8 by 8. However, you want to learn that, learn how to use 8 pixel grid. So I have this way, I have it this way. I'll just duplicate this. Cool. And then since this is this way, I'll make this an auto layout. Then I'll put space in between them because to 24. No, it's not sorry, it's not needed. This way, yeah, I'll put 16 here, 16 everywhere. Cool. And then I'll separate this guy this way and move this. You see this in the middle, I'll move it this way because this is auto layout. If you want to learn about auto layout, it's a different ballgame. However, if you have your frame already, this is it, right? So you can add different states to it. That one is fine. But this is what we want to get. We want this drop down. When you click this button, this drop down comes up and then you can select name. Yeah, so I would leave this way. This is what we're looking for. I'll just put the names in my let me use all of the plugins I have been always talking about in my. So what I did here was hit Control Alt P or Control P to get this guy. Control P just brings out this and then search for any plugin. So I will just use content reel. Yeah, content reel always helps like this get contents like simple things like name, location, places, numbers, date of fares, all those things. So I'll just select this, select this, select this. No. Okay, let's get started. Yeah, I will go to text here, then search for names. Then select this guy, select this guy, select this guy, then full names here. Cool. I'm done. Close this back. Yeah. So I'll just for the fact that we want to make this look really well, put this in another auto layout. All of them in their own auto layout. Okay. Yeah, cool. Having all of them in their own auto layout, and then yeah, then it's just being me. Make this all fill container so they can all stretch out. Then make the container that inside the container. So this way, yeah, text inside needs to also be fill container. Cool. Yeah, so we're good to go. Something is messing up here. Yeah, this is cool. This guy, they are center aligned, we make them left aligned so they don't be hit anyhow. Cool. This is what we want to achieve. Yeah, there's a way you can do this if you want to learn it. I made a video sometimes ago. The link is also in the description below. Yeah, but don't go there yet. Wait, let's finish this one at a time. Yeah, I'm just trying to maintain that alignment. Yeah, cool. This is rulers. I just use rulers. You can set your rulers by going here, going to view panel, then see rulers, and then on it, off it, however you want. Yeah, it just helps me make guidelines simple like this of using grids or using a rectangle. Yeah, it doesn't affect my workflow. So cool. Well, the main topic on why we are here is prototype, right? So now, since we are done designing this, we want to prototype this guy. We would select this guy for one, go to prototype, and then select this icon. So I like to increase it for prototyping, just increase it just so that it's easily clickable. So now select this guy and then put this guy here. Now when this pop-up comes up, you is on click, right? Then you'd want to have navigate to you have navigate to open overlay, swap, close overlay. Now there are two ways you can do this. Design this twice and navigate to, or this very quick way, open overlay. Go to open overlay. When you click on open overlay, right? Open over no, you navigate this guy. Yeah, you have is in open overlay. What's happening? No, the head is happening. Okay, okay. Back up. Let's back up in minutes. Let's back up in minutes. Should it yes. So let's take this guy out. We have this, bring this here, and then we navigate to open overlay. Then manual. Then once you put it to manual, yeah. So I just learned something on this call. I'm thinking about editing this part out. Well, so now if you have this frame inside this frame, it's not going to work. It's not going to identify it. It's going to look at that smart animate. I see. However, you want the frame you want to like behave like an open overlay outside the main frame. So you click on this, you go to open overlay. When you click open overlay, this will appear. This may not appear, so you come to manual, change it from center to be top, left, whatever, change it to manual. Get to manual, this will appear, so you can rearrange this how you want. So this is like shadow of that guy. You arrange this how you want. You want it to have like overlay background behind it. You add that. You close when you click this. Is instant dissolve in anyhow. This side dissolving. Yeah. So that is done. So let's play this guy. Oh, that was fast. Guy. I love my friends. Like if you wait to the end credits, I'm going to tell you the gist. However, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody who needs it. So now we are here. So this is the active state. So you click on this, and this is how it comes up. Open overlay just allows it to appear like this, and you close it this way. So you don't have to duplicate your screen and do multiple things. just click here and then open overlay comes up from here. Cool. So that basically is the end of this video, right? So thank you guys for sticking. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Yeah, so that's basically it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time. Remember, yeah, if you would want to edit this, it should not be inside this frame, right? It should be outside the frame. The open overlay will bring it here, and then you rearrange it however you want. You want to add shadows to this guy, you come here and you do your design as you would as a normal designer. Add shadows, make it white, whatever you want to do it. Just make sure you are doing the right thing. And by the time you come here, show. Then you select a guy home. Yeah, so see you guys next week. Bye.